Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I'd like to talk about the purpose of this channel. First, let me introduce myself. I'm a nurse in Japan. In Japan, nurses are responsible for many different kinds of patient care and medical procedures. For example, we learn skills such as drawing blood, starting eyelids, giving injections, suctioning, and many others under a doctor's supervision. When I was a nursing student and a new nurse, I mainly learned these skills through textbooks, training models, and educational videos. However, when actually providing care to patients, I often felt nervous and made many mistakes. Today, it has advanced significantly and 3D and VR technologies are rapidly evolving. The purpose of this video is to create nursing skills in a virtual environment by utilizing those technologies. Specifically, I will be using Unity and Blender to recreate them, with the ultimate goal of implementing them in VR. However, I am a nurse, not an engineer. Therefore, I want to learn Unity and Blender from scratch to replicate nursing skill virtually. I plan to document everything in my videos, including my failures and setbacks, and share them here. Starting with this video, I will also be providing the audio in English. It is because I want people all over the world to know about this project. However, I'm not fluent in English. Therefore, I will study English from scratch and share my journey in English. My pronunciation might be difficult to understand at times, but I will do my best. Since I will be doing this while working, my video uploads may be irregular, but I am determined to keep posting. Here is my current progress right now. I am challenging myself to recreate food correction techniques in 3D. At first, I created a prototype using basic shapes. Now I will use Blender to recreate the vacuum tubes and needles with realistic shapes. This is the current status. Next, I will create a blood collection needle in Blender and implement it into Unity. Starting from the next video, I would like to focus on making the blood collection needle. Thank you for watching.